Barb Iverson here with Wooden Shoe Tulip Farm. You know, the season is now over. You know, our tulips are tired. It's time that we top the flowers and let all that energy go back into the bulbs. But you know, it was I have to say, a challenging season for us. I don't think we've ever seen one like this in our nearly 50 years of growing tulips. And I want to thank everyone for their patience with us this spring. You know, it took a while for the flowers to arrive. And this summer, we're looking forward to our first annual Summer Flower Festival. So we've yet to put it all together. We'll keep you updated as we go along, but look for the month of August for some fabulous color. Thank you for joining us this year. Thank you for everyone that's visited. Thank you for our fabulous crew and all your patience as well. We appreciate you all. So another thing we've included are some highlight videos from throughout the season, so I hope you enjoy those.